Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both finger and sensor. Gently clean your finger with 70% isopropyl and let it air dry for 30 to 60 seconds so oils evaporate. Meanwhile, wipe the sensor with a lint-free cloth and mild cleaner to remove residue. This prevents smearing. Set ambient lighting to roughly 300-500 lux and eliminate direct glare. Once done, position your finger flat and centered on the plate, applying even pressure, firm, not forceful, so the ridge detail presses crisply into the reader. You now optimize the device. Increase gain or exposure only until ridges and furrows show clear contrast without blown highlights, because overexposure loses ridge detail. Capture 3 images, one flat, one with a slight roll, and one with lighter pressure to cover variable presentation. Make sure each frame shows edge-to-edge coverage of the print. Once captures look sharp in the preview, save at the highest supported resolution. This preserves minutiae. If your system supports live feedback, use it to confirm consistent. You finish by running the scanner's quality check and aim for an NFIC 2 score of 3 or better, because this correlates with reliable matching. If the score is low or smudges appear, stop and repeat the cleaning and capture steps right away. Do not try to compensate with pressure. Make a note of device settings, environmental conditions, and sample ID so you can reproduce success. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent low quality occurs, swap fingers and compare. A consistently bad finger may be scarred or extremely dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.